Everyone, welcome to my another important lecture on double integration, order of change of order of integration. This is very important topic. In this topic, the learner will be understand how to change the order of integration. Actually, the question is in double integration, why we are changing the order of integration? Some of the problem connected with double integral, which seems to complicated, very complicated, can be made easy to handle by change of order of integration. That is, if we change the order of integration, then the double integration will be easy. The complicated integration will be easy. Actually, change of order of integration means the order of change of order of limits, internal limits and external limits. For example, if this is suppose this is an integral, this is an integral y equal to, this is external limit, this is internal limit, and it is fxy, this is dx dy. So dx dy becomes dy dx. This is after changing the order of integration. So here internal limit, this is x equal to, so it will come y equal to something. External limit y equal to something, it will come x equal to something. And fxy does not change. In order of change of order of integration, fxy, this part will not change. Okay? Understand? So two things we have to remember in change of order of integration. Mainly, actually, what we are doing actually here, so from the given limits, that is internal limit and external limit, we have to draw the rough diagram. Then from the rough sketch, we have to consider a new strip. Now the question is very important question, how to find the new strip. So the new strip is easily find out by if we follow these two rules. So rule number 1, if the internal limit is found is a function of x, then the new strip is parallel to x axis. That is this function of x, then new strip is parallel to x axis. If the internal limit is a function of y, then the new strip is parallel to y axis. This is the main criteria. These two rules you have to follow. These two rules you won't get in any books. This is from my experience I am telling. Okay. So now I have taken a sum in double integral change of order of integration. Change the order of integration and evaluate the integral. Okay. 0 to 2 and 0 to 4 minus x square x e to the power 2y by 4 minus y dx dy. So this is given. Now you see, this is actually not the standard form. What is the standard form? Actually, this is called internal limit, this is called external limit. Internal limit is a function of y. So this function of x. You see, 4 minus x square, it is function of x. So this can be written as y equal to this. And this is function of x equal to 0 to 2. Understand how I denote y equal to and x equal to? Since it is a function of x, so we can write this should be y equal to this. And if it is y, then naturally it should be x equal to this to this. Okay. External limit is always constant function, that is constant limit, upper limit and lower limit. Internal limit should be changed. Actually, that is, it may be sometimes function of y or function of x. So if it is y equal to 0 to this, so it must be here dy, then this must be dx. That is with respect to dx, with respect to y, then with respect to x. Okay. Now we have to change the order of this limit. By changing the order of this limit, then we have to integrate. Okay. Then evaluate. Okay. How to? So from the given limits, I already told given limits, that is internal limit is y equal to 0 means x axis. y equal to 4 minus x square. Y equal to 4 minus x square, you see, that is, you can say x square equal to 4 minus y, that is, you can say minus y minus 4. So x square equal to 4 minus y minus 4. This is a parabola. Parabola equation. Parabola equation. This is a parabola. And external limit. External limit, tell me, x equal to 0. X equal to 0. X equal to 0 means external limit x equal to 0 means that is y axis. X equal to 0 means y axis, and x equal to 2 means line parallel to y axis. Parallel to y axis. Okay. Now from this limit we have to draw the graph scale. That is how to draw the parabola first. You see the parabola, what is the vertex? Vertex is 0, 4. 0, 4 from the parabola x square equal to minus y minus 4. So it is parabola 0, 4 is the vertex. 0, this is 0, 4. This is 0, 4. This is parabola. This is parabola. Okay? Parabola. Now, in this parabola, x equal to, in this parabola, this is, if it is since the parabola, this is x axis, this is y axis. The parabola meets x axis at this and this point. How to get this point? If we put y equal to 0, then x equal to plus minus 2. That is, this point is 2, 0. This point is minus 2, 0. How to get these 2 points? By putting y equal to 0, because this parabola meets x-axis. So we put meets x-axis, we put y equal to 0 here. If we put y equal to 0, then x square equal to 4. So x equal to plus minus 2. So it is 2, 0. One is 2, 0, and other is minus 2, 0. Another is, you see, y equal to 0. This is y equal to 0 line. This is y equal to 0 line, and x equal to 2 line, and x equal to 0 line also. This is x equal to 0 y axis, x equal to 0 line, this is x equal to 0, and x equal to 2. Since it is 2, 0, this will be x equal to 2 line, x equal to 2 line. Okay. So now this is the rough sketch. So what should be our, that is bounded region? This will be the OA, say OAB. OAB is known as our bounded region, because in this region everything is given. Y equal to 0, x equal to 0, x equal to 2, and the parabola. So everything is given. So this is our bounded region. OA, a bounded region, OABO. So now you see what is actually internal limit, that is y equal to 4 minus x square. So this is a function of x. So y equal to 4 minus x square, it is a function of x. If the internal limit is a function of x, then new strip is parallel to x axis. New strip RS is parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis. This is the new strip. New strip is parallel to, this is R, this is say S. This is the strip. This is the new strip. RS is parallel to x axis. So now, after changing the order of integration, after changing the limit, after changing limits, so that is internal limit. Internal limit, tell me internal limit. Now see, internal limit you will get from the strip. That is, the strip meets y-axis, that is x equal to 0, and meets, this will be the lower limit, left to right. It is parallel to x-axis. So left to right. Left will be the lower limit. This will be the upper limit. So what will be the upper limit? What is this equation? This equation is y equal, y equal to 4 minus x square, y equal to 4 minus x square. So from this, x square equal to 4 minus y, so x equal to root over 4 minus y, x equal to 4 minus y, x equal to 4 root over 4 minus y. And what is the external limit? External limit 0 to 4, that is y equal to 0, y equal to 0. If we move the strip, then it comes y equal to 0, then up to 4, y equal to 0 to y equal to 4, y equal to 0 to y equal to 4. Understand? So once again I repeat, the internal limit should get from the strip where the strip meets this line and this parabola. So this will be the lower limit. This is line is x equal to 0, and from the parabola we have to find the value of x equal to root over 4 minus y. Actually plus minus, so minus part I am not taking because it is in first quadrant. Okay, so external limit, that is if we move the strip up and down, then it will come y equal to 0 to y equal to 4. So 0 to 4. Now I am removing this part. I am removing this part. Okay, okay. So this is actually I. Now I becomes, this becomes, that is it will be external limit y equal to 0 to 4, y equal to 0 to 4, and x equal to 0 to root over 4 minus y, and fxy, this remains same, that is x e to the power 2y by 4 minus y. This will be, this was dy dx, so this will be dx dy, that is with respect to x first, then with respect to y integration. So it will becomes y equal to 0 to 4. So with respect to x, that is e to the power 2y by 4 minus y, this is constant. With respect to x, that is y constant, this will be x square by 2. X square by x integration x square by 2. This is x equal to 0 to root over 4 minus y. This is dy. Now tell me y equal to 0 to 4 e to the power 2y by 4 minus y into 4 minus y by 2 minus 0. So this is dy. Now this and this getting cancelled. So that is 1 by 2. E to the power 2y integration is e to the power 2y by 2. So it is 2. Then this is y equal to 0 to 4. Now upper limit minus lower limit. That is 1 by 4. Upper limit is e to the power y is equal to 4. That is e to the power 8 minus e to the power 0 means 1. That is e to the power 8 minus 1 by 4 it is coming. By 4 it is coming actually. E to the power 4. Yes. Upper limit minus lower limit. So it comes e to the power. So this is the answer of this sum. That is what we have learned from here. That is how to change the order of the integration. I have changed the order of integration. You see, earlier it was x equal to something. Now it comes external limit. It was x equal to something. Now it comes y equal to something. Internal limit is y equal to this to this. It becomes now x equal to this to this. And dx dy dx, in place of dy dx it becomes dx dy, and fxy remains same. So this is all over how to change the order of integration. This is the part 7, 6, 7 and 8 are the change of order of integration in my lectures 6, 7, 8. Next lecture I will come with my new video, that is change of order of integration. In that case you will see, you will understand, for there will be two strips are there. Two strips. Here is single strips concept. In that video, that is video number 9, that is lecture number 9, or you can say part 9, two strips are there. Don't miss that video. Okay. Till then, bye bye. Thank you very much.